Hey folks, thanks for your attention today. I want to show you how to set up and run the vertical lap weld. Alright folks, so we're doing a lap weld again. So it's going to look like a stair step. We're going to weld these in the middle of the following piece. The previous piece is going to be in the middle, and we're going to tack them on the ends, same as always. But now we're going to weld it in the vertical position. So we're going to need to put a handle on here so we can connect this to our upright and then weld in the vertical position. Alright folks, so I have my piece tacked up here. I only have 3 pieces right now. You would want 5. 5 pieces that are a lap weld that we're going to do in the vertical position. Now, I have this handle that I've welded on so I can clamp it and I can weld in this vertical position. I'm going to use 6010s. I'm going to use it on DC positive, and I'm going to run from down here up. When I do this, I'm going to get a 45-degree work angle, and I'm going to get like about a 5-degree travel angle. So I want it to be angling up just a hair. And what I'm going to do is a whip and pause, to where I whip ahead, come back, pause, and push that weld right into that corner. So I'll show you what that looks like here in a second, but it's really important that I whip ahead and push it into that. When I come back, I push that weld into that corner, and then I whip ahead. If I spend too long here, the weld's going to get too hot and it's going to rip out. We don't want that. I'm also going to turn my setting down, usually 1 from the setting I'm doing flat welding on. So right now I'm running at 105, DC positive. We'll try that and see how that goes. All right, here we go. So sometimes you'll find it's sticking a lot if you turn it down. You may need to turn it back up a hair and just go a little bit faster on your whip and pause. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead. I turned it up 1 setting so it wouldn't stick so much. I'm going to go ahead and do this other lap joint. I'm going to keep my 45-degree work angle and about a 5-degree travel angle. I'm going to whip and then come back and pause and push in. Here we go. Alright, so there we go. We're going to cool this off, take a look at it, see what it looks like. Alright, so it's not too bad. You can see at the start here, pretty decent. And then I needed to push a little bit more in. I have a little bit of undercut up on the top, and you can see where my angle changed because I was going up pretty consistent, and then my angle changed a little bit, and it started. I started letting it have too long in a pause. I didn't whip fast enough. You can see on my first one how my setting, I had it low and I didn't have a good consistent weld. So this part right here at the very start, this right there is probably the best part of it. But as you can see, I need some more practice. I don't do this a whole lot. Most of the time I'm judging students' welds and not welding myself. Welding's all about practice. You got to put in the hard work to get to the point you want to be at. Okay folks, so now that we've seen the vertical lap weld, I'll be able to do some more practice here. I need to put in that work to be able to get to a point where I'm very confident in all of my welds. Welding's just like life. You put the hard work in, you be disciplined enough to do the work, and then the good outcome happens. Okay, folks, so get out there, put the work in, do the welds. Have a great day.